Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyib and today topic is network management. Let's start it. Network management refers to the process and activities involved in managing and maintaining computer networks included first is network monitoring real time monitoring of network performance and activity. Second is network configuration of network devices and settings. Third is network troubleshooting, identifying and resolving network issues. Four is network security, implementing security measures to protect the networks. Five is network optimization, optimizing network performance and efficiency. Six is network planning, planning and designing network architectures. Seven network maintenance performance, routine maintenance tasks. Network management involves using various tools and technologies such as first is the network management protocols CNMP, CMIP, etc. Second is network management system NMS. Third is network monitoring tools, Nagios, SolarWinds, etc. Four is network configuration management tools. Five is network security tools, firewall, intrusion detection system, etc. Effective network management insurance. First is the network reliability and uptime. Second, network security and compliance. Third is network performance and efficiency. Fourth is quick issue resolution and minimal downtime. Five is scalability and adaptability to change network needs. Here are some more aspects of network management. First is network automation, automating network tasks and processes. Second is network orchestration, coordinating and managing network resources. Third is network virtualization, creating virtual network and resources. Four is software defined network SDN, managing network through software. Five is network function virtualization, NFV virtualization network functions. Six is quality of service QoS management, ensuring network performance and quality. Seven is network traffic management, managing and optimizing network traffic. Eight is network access control, NAC, controlling and managing network access. 9 is network segmentation, dividing network into secure segments. 10 is network forensic, analyzing network data for security and troubleshooting. 11 is network compliance, ensuring network compliance with regulation and standard. 12 is network documentation, maintaining accurate network documentation. 13 is network training and support, providing training and support for network user. 14 is network disaster recovery, planning and implementing network disaster recovery. 15 is network continuous monitoring, continuously monitoring network security and performance. Let me know if you have a specific question for need further assistance. Also, I can provide information on the following topics: network management solution and tools. Second is network management best practices and guidelines, network management challenge and limitation, network management trends and for future outlook. Here are some more topics related to network management. First is network management for IoT devices. Second is network management for cloud computing. Third is network management for software defined data entry centers. Four is the network management for virtualized networks. Five is network management for 5G network. Six is network management for edge computing. Seven is network management for artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML. Eight is network management for cyber security and threat intelligence. Nine is network management for compliance and regulatory requirements. And 10 is network management for digital transformation and modernization. 11 is network management for remote work and telecommuting. Uh,